Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you guys our bathroom that's finally remodeled. If you guys remember, what happened is that a pipe blew out. There were super old pipes in our new home and it was a disaster. So they had to take out the pipes, they had to take out the floor, we had to redo the walls. Everything had to be redone because the pipes were from 1960 or 1955, and it was a huge stress that we were put on under that was unnecessary for a pregnant woman. It was a disaster, and it was a $15,000 fix, which made it even more stressful. The baby's crying, so I will be right back. Here she is. She was in my tummy when all this disaster happened. $15,000 fix. And we went back and forth with our insurance company for over a month and a half. So we got it fixed ourselves, we paid it, and then they actually reimbursed us the whole thing, which was a surprise because they originally said they were going to cover 5, then 10, then 15. Really happy about that, but seriously, it was a stress that I should not have been put under. My good friend Hoser gifted us the tile. It is so beautiful, much nicer than what we had originally. And he was so nice enough to give us the tile that we absolutely love. And I want you guys to check out his Instagram. It's JoJo Design Studio. He also has a website where you can order wallpaper, sticker wallpaper, floorings, all sorts of tiles, and it is the most gorgeous options that you will find, you guys. So beautiful. His website is jojodesignstudio.com. I'm gonna list everything below, and he also has a showroom in Robertson Boulevard in Los Angeles, where you guys can go check everything out yourselves. He has a lot more options there. We hired someone to put in the floors. Mario repainted. Mario redid the moldings, and we got she's hungry. I'm gonna latch her on. Mario redid the moldings. Oh, and also he gave us extra tiles, so we ended up using the same tile in our bar room, in our bar floor. I don't know if you remember, but in our empty house tour, I mentioned that we wanted to redo the floor anyway, so it was a perfect time. And he also gave us extra tile to do a backsplash. We haven't done that yet, but we're gonna definitely do that soon. And for those of you that are new, I'm gonna also link my open house tour down below, and the video of the pipes being broken. I will link that disastrous of a video below as well. And I'm gonna show you guys what it turned out to be. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out JoJo Design Studio. All right, guys, thank you.
Sí, claro, sí, perfecto. No, sí, eso está bien. Estamos empezando cómo empezar así o así. Así como lo llevas. No, o sea, si tú lo quieres
How's it going, baby daddy?
It's going.
Oops, sorry. What are you doing? Getting more paint?
Getting more paint, yeah. Trying to edge up this light right here.
So as you guys can see, we had to redo the whole bathroom. The tiles in. Mario's repainting the whole powder room. We got a new sink we're gonna put in, a new vanity. We got a new mirror, and the toilet's gonna be put in tomorrow. So stay tuned, almost done. And the bar has the matching floors because it's downstairs where this powder room is. Yay! Ready to see the bathroom? I haven't seen it. Look at this floor. Our toilet. Our sink. Our mirror. We're gonna have to hang up some decor. Our toilet roll thingy majigger.